Uh, this is the overall setup for numerical relay when it is interfaced with the computer. We can change several parameters like current setting, time setting, or we can even ask the relay to exhibit different characteristics like normal inverse, very inverse, extremely inverse, and long inverse. So we would be performing this similar experiment, but this time we would be controlling everything from the computer. The relay coil terminal number 1 and 3 is connected to the variac through a series resistor. This is the series resistor. So variac, series resistor, and the relay coil. And the phase and neutral terminals of this relay are connected to the supply system here at 230 volt. And for communicating with this relay, we need to connect it to this port. And we would be controlling everything from the computer. So you can see that there is a setup file on desktop of this computer. It is StartCap 501. We would be using this for controlling various parameters of the numerical relay.
So this is CABS 501 software installed in a PC given by ABB. When we double click on this CAB 501, this window will appear in front of us. As there are so many relays interfaced to the PC via communication port, you can see this is the route where number of relays are connected, SPARC, SPART, SPAM, but we are interested in SPARC only, so I am just clicking on SPARC. You can see here there is a relay setting tool appear. When I double click on this relay setting tool, this window will appear in front of us. Here the window is like file, view, transfers, tools and help. You can see here there is a folder to save. This option is provided. This is for print option, and these two is for, one is for downloading the setting which we done here in the software into the relay, and this is the uploading the data from the relay into the PC.
Okay, let us start. So now first of all we'll verify what is the right now plug setting. So you can see in the relay that the plug setting is right now 100. Okay, so now the same we will verify from the PC, and then through PC we'll make a change and then we'll verify over here. Okay, so now let us come to this PC.
ये स्क्रीन को यहाँ पर हटा दो, यहाँ क्लिक कर दो बाहर के, हाँ बस अब बोलो.
Okay, so now let us make a change in the relay through this PC. Okay, now as madam has mentioned that this is the software CAB 105. So in this software I will have to move in the main setting parameter. Okay, now after moving into the main setting parameters, you will having four screen: screen 1, screen 2, screen 3 and screen 4. So we'll move to this screen 2. Over here you will get the plug setting, time setting and other relevant parameter which can be changed. So right now you can see as we have done in the relays, the plug setting is 1. You can see over here it is 1. Now what I will do, I will make it 0.5. Okay, now you can see it is 0.5, but now this cannot be seen over here until unless I am making upload to this module into the relay.
upload is in download.
Download the parameters. Okay. Okay, so you can see that now the plug setting without doing the manual operation, we are able to achieve this 0.5 setting through the PC.
So again we'll show the change in current, how to change. We have to just click on this current setting. After 0.5 I am just changing this to 0.8. Okay. Now you go to download. Click on download. Okay. Yes. So see the change.
0.8 किया मैंने, you had done 0.8 है ना? So now you can see 0.8.
Current setting is changed from 0.5 to 0.8 directly just by sitting at my place.
Now similarly you show the relay characteristics. So right now if I am talking about the relay characteristics, right now the relay is working at 18, that is extremely inverse. Okay, now you can make it 17. So 17.
Yeah. So to change the characteristics we have to go to screen 3 where the preset value or characteristics is 18. You can see here. If I want to change this to next characteristics, I'll have to click on this. If I change this to normal inverse, I'll have to just select normal inverse, click on OK. It will show the code that is 19 which will be displayed in the numerical relay display option. Again I'll have to download, click OK and yes. See the characteristics is directly changed from 18 to 19, normal inverse. Yes, the characteristics is changed just by sitting at my place. Pause.
So in our last experiment, we noted down the time operation of the relay for its tripping through a timer. So as soon as we were bringing the relay into the circuit, the timer circuit was on, and then as soon as the relay trips, the timer stops. So this is how we used to get the time of operation of relay. But this time we would be obtaining this operating time of the relay through the PC. So we would also be obtaining the value of pickup current at which the relay has picked up and finally got tripped.
At the same time, through this PC, you can come to know when the last fault was occurred in the system. So that can be visualized through this PC. So let us have a look on that, how we can see the historical data or others, other relative informations, that what is the operating time of a relay, how much time it has taken through PC.
Now we would be slowly applying the voltage to the relay coil, and we will be noting down the corresponding changes in the current. Yes, the voltage has increased. At present the PSM is 0.8. We are allowing the current through relay approximately 1.69. So after some time the relay has tripped.
Based on the characteristics needed, 19 characteristics.
The characteristics chosen is now normal inverse, the code of which is 019.
So to see the recorded data, we have to choose monitored, recorded and measured data. When we choose this 5 screen will appear in front of us. Screen 1 shows the nomenclature, what is there in the next 4 screen. Screen 2, you can see there is a measured data, but before seeing this data, we have to upload the data from relay. So I am just clicking here to upload the data, so that we can see that at what current relay has given a. So here you can see on screen 3 at 1.93 current, relay has given a trip signal. So by this way we can see that current, the recorded data, this is 1.93. Thank you.